Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how you can invest as low as 1000 naira. Yes, 1000 naira. You see, a lot of people actually think before you can invest in the real estate in the stock market, you must be having like 1 million naira, 5 million naira, 2 million, those kind of big money, but it's actually wrong. You can invest as low as 1000 naira in the stock market. You see those 1000 naira, 2000 naira, and 5000 naira that you guys take for granted. I think you can use it to invest in something good. Today in this video, I'm going to be teaching how you can use as low as 1000 naira to invest in the stock market, real estate investment trust, IPOs, ETFs, and bonds, and different kinds of investments, all in just one app. So in this video, I'll show you the app you're going to use. I'll show you how to use the app and how to invest 1000 naira in this investment I've mentioned all through the app. Now, my name is Femi Olaniyan and I make content on personal finance, savings, and investment and how to make money online. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe so that you can have content on these things: personal finance, savings, investment, and how to make money online. And don't forget to like this video, please, and please like this video. It helps a lot. And also don't forget to tap the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I drop a new video. Now let's go straight to my laptop and I'll be showing you how to invest as low as 1000 naira in real estate, in the stock market, in IPOs, in bonds, ETFs, and different kinds of investment, man. Let's go straight to my laptop. As you can see on my laptop, you can see investment simplified. Forget I account opening fees. Become a global investor with the tap of a button. Invest in American, Chinese, and Nigerian stocks, bonds, ETFs, and more with as little as 1000 naira. Yes, 1000 naira. So before I continue, make sure you tap the link in my description and create an account with the link in my description. Now, this is what the reason why you should use the link in my description. If you create an account with the link in my description, you're going to get 5 shares of Dangote Sugar or GT Bank for free. Yes, 5 shares of Dangote Sugar and GT Bank for free. So if you use the link in my description right now to create an account on Trove, you're going to get 5 shares of Dangote Sugar and GT Bank for free. So now, after tapping the link in my description and then signing up, then the next thing is to log in into your account. Or if you are using your laptop, you can just go to your laptop and type troveapp.co, and then you sign up. Then after signing up, you are going to log in. So right now I'm going to log in into my Trove account and show you how you can invest as low as 1000 naira in the stock market. So right now, as you can see, the next thing is I'm going to log in. I'm going to sign in. Then after signing in, this is my dashboard. As you can see on the laptop, this is my dashboard right there. You can see here I have my wallet balance. I have about 17,000 naira. I have my portfolio. I have 3 assets. It means I have 3 stocks from 3 different companies, and here it's showing my top performing holdings. Out of the 3 stocks I have, this is the one that is performing best, Dangote Sugar. Now, after that, I'm going to show you how to use the app actually before we go into how to invest 1000 naira on Trove app. Now, the first thing, as you can see, if you look to the left of my screen, you're going to see the menu, dashboard, browser settings, and different things on the menu. And then the first thing is to show you what's on the dashboard. Now, as you can see, the dashboard I've showed you was your wallet balance, portfolio, top performing holdings. Here you can see the best performance. That means the stocks that are performing best on the app. Now, these are the stocks that are performing best. This Aqua Metals Incorporation, in the last 24 hours, that's given like 47% profit. This Sportsman Warehouse Holdings, in the last 24 hours, that's given 39% profit. And this is Quantum Scape Corporation, that's given 38% profit in the last 24 hours. So on the dashboard, you're going to be seeing the top best performers or the top best performers stocks in the on the app. Now, after the dashboard, the next thing is browse assets. Look at the left side of my screen, browse assets. If you click on browse asset, this is where you can see all the assets you can invest in on this application. Now, as you can see, these are Nigerian stocks. These are some of the Nigerian stocks. If you want to see all the Nigerian stocks, just click view all here. Look at the right of my screen, the right hand side of my screen. You can see view all. So if you click on view all, as I've just clicked right now, then you're going to see all the Nigerian stocks. As you can see, these are Nigerian stocks you can invest in. If you want to see more, just click on two. You can see, you look at the below my screen, 2, 3, 4. There are various Nigerian stocks you can invest in. Now, this is Access Bank. A lot of us know Access Bank. This ICO. There are different Nigerian stocks you can invest in. Now, the next thing is to look at portfolio. The market insight is not yet working on the app. Next thing is to look at my portfolio. Now my portfolio will show whatever the stocks I have, the amount of money I have in my wallet, and various things I've invested my money in. Now if this is my own portfolio, if this is my total value 19,000 naira, then this is my top performing asset, Dangote Sugar. I have three assets right now, and then if you look down, this is the thing in something like a pie chart. Then these are my three stocks. I've invested in Dangote Sugar, Access Bank, and Julius Berger. Now a lot of us we know these three companies in Nigeria. Now the next thing on the menu is watch list. Now watch list means you can add some stocks to your watch list to watch how these stocks are performing. Now, these are the various stocks that I've added to my watch list: Amazon, Google, Netflix, Apple, Dangote Sugar, Guaranteed Trust Bank, Pepsi, Tesla, Access Bank, Coke. Different companies I've added. Now, the reason I've added these companies here is I want to be looking at how these stocks and these companies are really doing, whether they're doing well or they're doing so bad before I invest my money into it. Now, the next thing is calendars. Now, calendars actually shows the date where companies pay their dividends or their earnings to their investors. Now, it's just like if you invest in money into a particular company, there's a particular day of the year where they pay out the dividends to their investors. So they pay your profit, the profit they've made, they share it among their investors. So if you invest in a particular company, on this calendar year, you see the date you will receive your dividend. Now, these are some of the this is for 23rd of 12, 23rd of December 2020, which is today's date, which I'm recording this video. Now, if you look, these are the companies that will give out their dividends today. This is ProShares Large Cap Core. This is ProShares Ultra Short. These are different companies that will give out their dividends today. Now, the next thing is order history. Now, order history. These are the orders I've made on the app recently. That the orders I've made. And the next thing is my wallet. This is how much I have in my wallet. Here you have Naira wallet and you have dollar wallet. This is my Naira wallet. I have 17,000 Naira. In my dollar wallet, I don't have any money in my dollar wallet right now. Then next thing is settings. Settings is just to check your profile, to put in your bank account, your Nigerian bank account and your US bank account, and to put in your debit card and your bank details. That's just about settings. And free shares. Don't forget I said if you invite someone to sign up on the app, you're going to get 5 shares of Dangote Sugar or GT Bank for free. So yeah, you will see your free shares that you've after referring people to the app. Now the last one is logout. So that's just what you have to know about the menu. Now to the main thing of the video, which is how to invest 1,000 naira in stock market, real estate, IPOs, and different investments. Now, the first thing we are going to do is obviously to deposit 1,000 naira into our account. Now, what you're going to do is go to my wallet. On the left hand side of my screen, you can say go to my wallet, tap on my wallet. Now, after tapping on my wallet, then you click on Naira wallet. After clicking on Naira wallet, come to the right hand side, you're going to see add funds, withdraw funds, convert Naira to USD, wallet history. Now, what we want to do is to deposit money into our wallet. Now, we're going to click on add funds. Now, after clicking on add funds, you can say this bank account or card payment. Bank account means if you want to do bank transfer, while card payment is if you want to do you want to pay with your card, maybe your debit card. So now let's say we want to use our bank account, we want to do transfer, then just click on bank account and click proceed to payment. After clicking on proceed to payment, you can see the app will actually create a Providence bank account for you, specially for you, that only you can use. So if you transfer any money into this account, it's going to reflect in your Trove app, in your Naira wallet. So let's say you want to transfer your 1,000 Naira there now. So just transfer 1,000 Naira to this account number, which is your own. This is my own, so don't transfer money here. You have your own, your separate one. Now, after sending 1,000 Naira here, in seconds, yes, in seconds, you're going to see your money reflecting in your Trove app. Now, that's the first step. You've already deposited your 1,000 naira into your Naira wallet. The next thing is, okay, how do you invest this 1,000 naira? Now, you go to browse asset. Browse asset. Now, the thing about this app is that you can only invest Naira in Nigerian stocks, while you can only invest dollars in foreign stocks. So, since it's 1,000 naira we are dealing with, you are going to be dealing with Nigerian stocks. Now, how do you choose the Nigerian company you want to invest your money into? Now, before I decide to say, okay, I want to invest my money into this particular Nigerian company, I'm going to ask myself, which company in Nigeria right now do I see that, okay, maybe next 2 or 3 years they're going to make massive profit? Or which company in Nigeria do I see that, okay, it has a very high tendency of becoming so big in 2 or 3 years to come? That's the first question I'm going to ask myself before picking the Nigerian company to invest my money in. Now, after asking yourself that question, let's say, okay, you've already listed like 3 to 5 companies that you know have the tendency of becoming big in the next 3 years. Okay, you've listed like 5 companies. Now, the next thing is to go and research about these 5 companies or these 5 stocks and say, okay, I'll go and check out how the stocks have been doing, go and check out whether how they have been paying their dividends, whether they've been paying their dividends, whether the profit have been, like reasonable or maybe it's just somehow. Just go and research about the stocks and the companies. Now the next thing is to go and read on news, go and read stock news. If you have um an iPhone on your phone, you're going to see an application called Stocks. It comes with your iPhone. That's where I get news about stocks, foreign stocks and Nigerian stocks. So you should listen to news about stocks. Now, after gathering all this information and researching on these companies, now let's say for example, okay, we've decided that okay, we want to invest in Access Bank. We've decided I want to invest in Access Bank. Now you can see after coming to browse assets, we can see Nigerian stocks. Now on the Nigerian stocks, you can see this Access Bank here. So now the next thing is to click on Access Bank. Now, after clicking on Access Bank, it's going to show you all the details you need to know about the Access Bank stocks, the different things you need to know about the stocks. Now, as you can see, the price of one stock right now is 8.55 naira. Oh, sorry, of one share. Sorry, of one share of Access Bank is 8.55 naira right now. Now, as you can see, it's going to, if you come down, it's going to show you the chart of how the stock has been doing in the last 3 months, these 3 months. If you want to check out how it's been in the last 24 hours, click on 1 day, the last 5 days, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, 2 years. Now this is for 3 months actually. Now as you can see, this is how it has been going. It has been going kind of up, I know. It came up here, then it came down again, it went up like that, like that. Currently it is here. Currently it is 8.55 naira right now. So this is how the stock has been doing. Now also, if you move down, you're going to see different news about the stocks, different news about the stocks below. Now the next thing is, how do you invest your 1000 into Access Bank? Now the first thing is, you can see on my right hand side of the screen, you click on trade. After clicking on trade, now to show you select market type is market, then price. This is the price of one share of Access Bank right now as at the time of recording this video. Now the next thing is you enter quantity, how many shares of Access Bank do you want to buy, or you enter the estimated amount of money you want to of the amount of money you want to spend. Now let's enter the quantity of shares we want to buy. Let's say we want to buy 100 shares. Let's enter 100 shares. It means we are going to be spending 855 naira. Okay, let's enter about 115 shares. Okay, yeah, we're going to be spending 983 naira. That means you can hold 115 shares of Access Bank with just 983 naira, which is less than 1000 naira actually. So you can see that this is a way of investing 1000 naira in the stock market. Now after inputting the quantity you want to buy, which is 185, you can see you're going to spend 983 naira. The next thing is to proceed to payment. Now once you click on proceed to payment, it's going to bring you the details of all your payments and whatever you are ordering. Now, as you can see, this amount in naira, 93 naira. We are getting 115 quantity of Access Bank shares. This is service fee. Their service fee is 26 naira, and then the total amount of money we'll be spending is 1010 naira. Sorry, 1010 naira 13 kobo. Now we're going to confirm our transaction. Click on confirm transaction. Yeah, as you can see, it has written transaction processing. So we move to, if you want to check, you move to my portfolio, and then you check, oh sorry, you move to your order history. Click on order history on the menu. I'm going to see the what you've already bought. As you can see, the order which is here, I think that's actually number one. Yeah, number one, Wednesday, December 23rd, Access Bank. The price was 8.55 naira. Then we bought 115 shares of Access Bank. Then on transfer type by the amount of money we spent, 1010 naira. And then the status is still processing. It's still processing the order. So now that is how you can invest 1000 naira in the stock market. Sorry, so you can invest in different companies in Nigeria. Let's check other Nigerian companies you can invest in. So like what we did before, go to browse assets on the menu. After clicking on browse assets, Then these are Nigerian stocks. Just click on view all. View all Nigeria. So let's view different Nigerian stocks we can invest our money in. This is Academic Press, Access Bank. Let's scroll down. This ICO, the ICO is a popular insurance company in Nigeria. This is Airtel. This aluminium something. This Beggar Paint, Better Glass. If you want to see more, just come down and click on 2. Yeah, so once you click on 2, you see other companies. As you can see, these are the various companies, Nigerian companies you can invest your money in. You go to number 3. If you click on 3, you see different companies too. This is Dangote Sugar. This is Dangote Cement. We all know all these companies too. Then this is corn oil, it's a popular oil company. Then the difference, and also if you don't want to go through the stress of typing 1 2 3, you can just come up here. You can see, or up my screen, you can see search asset name. So let's say you want to invest in a particular Nigerian company. Let's say you want to invest in your favorite bank. Let's say okay, you are a customer of GT Bank, so you want to invest your money in GT Bank. So let's just type Guarantee Trust Bank. Okay, before you even type in, if you've seen it, this is Guaranteed Trust Bank. So if you click on Guaranteed Trust Bank, then it's going to show you the amount of one share of Guaranteed Trust Bank, which is 33 naira, as you can see here, 33 naira. And also, as it's going to show you the details of how it has been, how the stock has been doing for a while right now. Here you see the chart. This is the performing chart of GT Bank. GT Bank too has also gone up a bit. Yeah, GT Bank has gone up a bit right now. So that's, and below you see the news about GT Bank. Then to trade, you click on trade here. I click on trade. Okay, yeah, this market, this is the price of one share of GT Bank. Then you enter the amount of money you want to spend, sorry, the quantity of shares you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy 100 shares again. Just enter 100 shares. Oh, we'll be spending 3,000 naira. I want to enter the quantity that will make us spend about 1,000 naira. So let's enter about 20 shares. Okay, that's about 660 naira. Let's enter 40 shares. 1,003. So that's not actually how to invest 1,000 naira. Then after putting the quantity, you click on proceed to payment, and then you make your payment, and by that you've invested 1,000 naira in the stock market. Now let me tell you one thing. After investing 1,000 naira in these companies, it's not that you just leave it there and then 1,000 naira will just become 1 million naira the next day. No, stock market will make you a billionaire in overnight in 24 hours. No, you have to keep investing. Now after investing 1,000 naira today, maybe you can say, okay, next week you want to invest another 1,000 naira in another company or in the same company. Then following week invest another 1,000 naira. The following week invest another 1,000 naira, and that is how you can be a very good investor, a very good stock investor in Nigeria. So investing consistently and investing in different companies can make you have a very good portfolio or in the stock market. So this is the simple way you can invest 1 million. Sorry, you can invest 1,000 naira in the stock market and real estate in different companies in Nigeria or outside Nigeria. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you've learned one big way to invest as low as 1,000 naira in the stock market in Nigeria. I'll see you in my next video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share with your friends, let them also know how to invest 1,000 naira in the stock market, because this is a very valuable video that you should watch. And if you've forgotten one part of the video, make sure you move back and watch a bit. And also, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.